Welcome back to this channel. Myself Bibin Baby, working as a fourth engineer in a container vessel. In this video we are trying to talk about the sign-on experience from Cochin Port. Now we are at Cochin Port and we are waiting for the immigration people to come and clear the documents. So we are waiting for the immigration officers to come, and once they come they will verify our passport and our details, etc. Once the verification is get over, we can get inside the tugboat. Now we are inside the tugboat and we keep our luggages safely. As there is a chances of rain, they provide a raincoat, and for the safety they provide life jacket, etc. So now they have started the tugboat engine and the tugboat start moving towards the vessel. There are total a group of 20 members are there, and all these members are from different companies. Actually we don't know each other. We have been kept in quarantine for around 7 days in a resort in Kochi. During the quarantine period, we have been gone through a COVID test also, and everybody cleared the COVID test, and we have verified and checked by the port health doctor also. Now everybody is really busy with their families, and this is the last chance of them to call the loved one with such a good network. So everybody is busy calling their families. Once the tugboat is away from the shore, there is no chance of getting 4G network. So now everybody is enjoying talking with their families, their loved ones, etc. Now we have start moving from the port. You can see a lot of vessels in port. Now you are seeing a cement carrier. This vessel is used for carrying cement. Actually it is a bulk carrier type of ship. You can see some water is coming out of the ship. Actually it is a ballast water. Ballast water is nothing but it is used for stabilizing the vessel. Actually it is sea water. Actually we are a group of 20 people who are going to join different vessels. I think almost 3 group of people are there, and we are the one of the biggest group of having around 12 members. Now the tugboat is moving little bit faster and we are still inside the port only. Now we are nearby the container terminal of Kochi, and this container terminal name is Vallarvadam Container Terminal, and it is the one of the transshipment port in India. The only smaller vessel used to come in this port due to the draft restrictions. On the other side of port we can see a lot of resorts, and now most of the resorts are used for quarantine purpose. We have completed our quarantine from Taj Malabar and resorts, and the facilities are quite good. Now the tugboat is moving little bit faster, and it will be taking around 1.5 hours to reach nearby the vessel. You can see the sea condition. The sea condition is not going to be good as per the tugmaster information. So they are trying to move little bit earlier to avoid such climatic change and all. Now we are going a little bit far away from the land, and once we reach the area, the sea condition is not that good. the sea condition is really challenging and we are having a lot of swell. Swell means the wave height. We are having a wave height of 2 meters approximately. You can really see the sea condition, how we are going inside the tugboat and we are moving towards the vessel. As per the information from the tug master, we are firstly going near a tanker vessel which is a VLCC, very large crude oil carrier, and we are going towards that vessel for disembarkation or sign on of the 3 crew members. So we are going to nearby the vessel and the condition is really challenging and we don't know how we can sign on the vessel safely, because the sea conditions are, you can see the sea conditions are not that good. If the sea is calm and we can join the vessel easily. Now the condition is not like that. We don't know how long it will take to safely embark the vessel. You can see drums over there. These drums are commonly used to keep the waste materials segregated and keep safely. We are not allowed to throw any garbage on overboard the ship or any boat. Actually, the seafarers are really care of the seas and they are not putting any garbage to the sea. All the garbage on board are segregated and this will be disposed in any port facilities during the port stay. We don't know how difficult it will be for the sign on. For safe embarkation of the vessel, it will be really difficult and tough because the sea condition is really challenging. We can see a lot of vessels nearby the area. I think most of these vessels are for crew change only, because now the Kerala, the Thiruvananthapuram and Cochin will be one of the major hub for the crew change. We can see a lot of container vessels, tanker vessels and other carriers nearby this area. Most of them are anchored. So I guess most of the vessels are for the crew change only. As we are moving towards the vessel, the conditions are still going to be bad and we are now moving towards the tanker vessel where around 3 people are there to sign on and sign off. You can see the tanker ship, around 3 people are there to join this vessel. Now they have been kept their luggages and they are ready to embark the vessel, but the sea condition is really challenging and we don't know how we can enter the vessel safely. Now they are ready with their luggages and they moving forward to the deck. Around 3 people have to be come out of the big vessel and 3 want to join the vessel. You can see I think the vessel is really empty because it is having a good freeboard and it is quite difficult to enter the vessel. The conditions are really going to be challenging, so we can watch the rest in part 2.